In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SWOT analysis in Prezi. Whether you're a student working on a project or a professional preparing a business strategy presentation, a SWOT analysis can be a powerful tool to organize your thoughts and ideas. Prezi offers an interactive and dynamic way to present this analysis, and I'll guide you through the entire process. Let's get started by logging into your Prezi account. Once you're logged in, it's time to open a new presentation. If you're familiar with Prezi, you know that the next decision is to either choose a pre-existing template or to begin from a blank slate. For a SWOT analysis, I recommend selecting a business or strategy template that's already optimized for organization and clarity. However, if you prefer more creative freedom, starting from a blank canvas is a great option too. Now that you have your presentation set up, let's add the main topic. You'll want to label this section SWOT Analysis. Position it prominently as the central focus of your presentation. This will help your audience understand the overarching theme right from the start. Next, let's create 4 distinct subtopics. These will represent the core components of your SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. You can arrange them around your main topic, visually depicting the structure of the analysis. This not only organizes your content, but also makes each section easily navigable for your audience. To bring your analysis to life, it's important to add supporting details to each category. Incorporate bullet points, icons, or even images, depending on what best conveys your message. For strengths, list positive attributes and resources. Under weaknesses, think about areas that require improvement. When you move to opportunities, highlight potential growth areas. Finally, in threats, address external challenges your subject may face. To enhance the clarity of your presentation, consider using color coding. Assign specific colors to represent internal factors, your strengths and weaknesses, and different colors for external factors, opportunities and threats. This simple visual cue can help viewers quickly distinguish between the different aspects of the analysis. One of Prezi's unique features is its ability to zoom in and out, which can significantly enhance the storytelling aspect of your presentation. Apply zoom paths between your main topic and subtopics. This will guide your viewers smoothly from one quadrant to another, ensuring that they follow your narrative without getting lost. And there you have it. That's how you create a SWOT analysis in Prezi. By following these steps, you can produce a presentation that's not only informative, but also engaging and visually appealing. I hope this guide helps you convey your ideas effectively and in style. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.